Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to change language in Amazon Prime. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Amazon Prime and you need to log into your account. So once you've logged into your Amazon Prime account, so what you can do, you're going to go to your profile here on top. So on your top right, click on your profile, and under your account you will see account and settings. Click on account and settings. So when you get to account and settings here, this page, so here there's a tab called language here, language tab. Simply click on the language tab here. So click on it, and then here you will see all the available languages. So if you want to change your language here, so whatever you want to change it to, so all you have to do is simply click on it. So simply click on it and then click on save, and that will save your settings, and then it will reflect on your Amazon Prime account. So that's how you can change language. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.